Delete chats of Google Gemini. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to delete the chats of Google Gemini. Now, if you want to delete the individual Gemini chats, then you just need to open Google Gemini app, or you just need to go to gemini.google.com. So if you have already installed the Google Gemini app on your device, then that's good. If you have not, you may simply open Play Store or App Store, and you may simply download it from there. So after that, you just need to open the Google Gemini app, and this is the homepage of Google Gemini, where you'll see the option of plus light, fast, and voice like icon. Now to delete the chat, tap on the menu at the very top left, and here you will see your chat history. So you just need to simply long press on the chat which you want to delete, and here you will see the option of share conversation, pin, rename, or delete. So you may also rename the chat from here, but if you want to delete it, click on the option of delete at the very bottom, and it says you'll no longer see this chat here. This chat will also delete related activity like prompts, response, and feedback. So if you want to click on the option of confirm, and that's it. That's how the chat can be deleted in a very easy way. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.